Do you know what this is, folks? Hang out until after the intro, and I'll tell you. Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC and outdoor gear review videos. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. All right, folks. So, what this is the tool, my EDC tool, that I carried the most this year, by far. If you go back and look at my Instagram videos, on my Instagram posts, you'll see it posted just about probably 60 to 70% of the time of what I was carrying. And what this is this is the Workpro quick adjusting pliers. This is a 4-inch set of pliers that really come in handy for everything. Now, Workpro sent me a set of these. This is not the one they sent. This is the one I carry every day. That's why it's all kind of gummed up and used. They sent me one, but I didn't have to even open it to look at it because I know what it is because I carry it every day. So that's why I was really excited when they sent this over. So let's open this one and see which one they sent. Let me grab a knife. All right, so let's get that out of the box. See which one they sent. All right, let's get the knife out of the way. Okay, so they sent me the silver one. If you look at them, they're basically identical. Oh, they're actually not. They made a little bit of a change on this one. Oh, this is a little bit different in design. I did not realize that. Check it out. We're going to have to check this one out. So this has your locking mechanism, so that way you could slide it. Open it to different sizes. That's really nice. Let's see. Handleway looks the same. You got that jimping on both sides there. The Workpro logo. But they made the head a little different on this one. Again, this is a newer one. Like I said, they just sent it to me. That's really fascinating. But either way, I know this tool. I know it works. Let's show you some of the things you can use it for. All right, I'm just going to take this, put this in here, and leave this right here so you can see exactly what we're dealing with, which is the Workpro quick adjusting pliers wrench. 4-inch. Really fantastic. I'm going to show you one of the uses. What I love about this is because you've got a wide spread of what you could work on. See that? How wide that opens? You probably see it better on this one because of the black background. But look at that. You could open it wide and really clamp down, and that button is how you adjust it. That button either locks it in place for big and small items. So one of the things I was using it for just earlier today was reversing the clip on this knife. When this knife arrived, or when I first got this knife, the clip was set up for a left-handed carry. Well, I want to drop this in the pocket for a right hand, so I had to take a T6 driver, but if you notice, there are nuts on the back side, and they were just spinning in place. So let me get the driver and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've got my driver. Now what was happening is when I was putting the driver in, right? It's a what size is that? Oh, I got the wrong bit in there. Let me swap that out. So, as I was saying, when I had this in here by itself, the nut on the back side would just spin. You know, I could turn this all I want. It was just going to spin in place. So, I had done it with this one, but we'll grab this one now. What's great about this is because of its small, compact size, right? I can lock in on that, just like that. And now, I could sit here and turn that without that back spinning. So for precision work like that, it's fantastic. Tighten that back. But it's got so many other uses. But I'm going to show you like the most important thing to me. Obviously it's great because it has a lot of uses. But one of the things is its small form factor works really well in my EDC. So let me get my little EDC pouch here, the one that I carry a lot. I carry this little pouch, and in it, I've got a Swiss Army knife. Swiss Army knife can do a lot of things, but it doesn't function as a plier. That's where this comes in. And that's where this one comes in. You know, this will fit right back here. I use a Ranger band that holds it in place on my little mini EDC pouch. That drops in there. This goes on my belt, and I've now got my pliers, my multi-tool, micro flashlight. I carry a lighter to go with that, and of course my watch. And that's pretty much a full EDC. And look at that. It's so small. It weighs nothing, but it comes in so handy. So, you know, it's got a lot of uses. Now let's go to the next use. All right, so here's the scenario. You're outside, you go to start your car, it won't start. And you're thinking, what could it be? And you realize maybe it's a loose terminal on the battery. And that's when this comes in handy. Reason why I like it is it's small. It'll fit into every space. Even that little gap right there, it fits perfectly. Same thing on the other terminal, on your positive. You've got that nut all the way here in the back. And pardon me, because it's a little tricky to hold the camera and work the nut, but you can see it's small enough that you can get in there. Same thing here. That's a really tight space on that terminal, but it's small enough that I can get in there with the wrench / pliers, and I can ratchet that down. What did that just do? That just saved the day. Small, light, in your pocket, always there when you need it. So like I said, I love these Workpro tools. All right, let's head back inside. All right, so we're back inside, and now you've seen how easy this is to carry and what size kind of nuts you can use it on. But it's got other things too. A lot of times I'll be working soldering something, you know, and I'll actually be holding it here while I'm soldering with my soldering iron. And that's because sometimes, especially if I'm soldering, you know, certain things where it's real close and I would want to hold it with my hand, but it gets really hot, I just hold it there. It's just another use. There's so many things this is handy for. And like I said, I want to thank Workpro for sending this one over. Like I said, but I didn't even need to look at this one yet, and I hadn't even opened it, as you saw in the video, you know, because I'd been using this one, like I said, for I think this came out about a year ago. I mean, you can see I've got dirt all over it, and it's been used. It's been, the word is not used. It's been well loved. It's a well loved tool, but I really do. I think it's probably my most used EDC tool that stays in my rotation more than anything else, without exaggeration. So let me know if you have one. Let me know what you think. I will say one thing. Obviously, this is really trying to change the market because so many people were using the Knipex, which is a great tool, but it's a lot more money than this. More than double the price. I find this one works well. It's built really well. It's going to hold up. And like I said, it's about half the price of the competition. With that being said, thank you for being here. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. Consider becoming a channel member. Once a month, channel members are eligible to win a free knife. And, as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.